Okay, here's what I noticed. When I was trying to reinstall this headlight, the what do you call that? The plastic of the headlight in the headlight harness, there's very little space between the two, and you have to line the three notches up in a certain position so you can twist it and lock it in place. What I actually found out to do that was better or was easier for me was to actually remove the harness from the headlight, tuck the headlight harness down at the bottom of the headlight assembly, twist in the bulb, and then grab the headlight harness and snap it into place. But trying to actually put the harness in and then turn it in place just wasn't working for me. There's just very little space between the actual headlight bulb and the circular indentation of the headlight assembly.